So, how much water does ChatGPT actually consume? This prompt is 13 words and 70 characters long, and the response it got was 98 words and 584 characters long. But how much water did I waste on that one message? If you look this up, you'll run into several estimates, some of which you'll have to convert, but for this video, we'll be using a fascinating article by Business Energy UK, ChatGPT Energy Consumption Visualized. To begin, let's look at what goes on behind a prompt. When I entered this in, it went from a soup of words to a group of numerical tokens. These act like my soup of words, but broken into smaller chunks. And just like we can understand English, ChatGPT can understand tokens. These tokens then get converted to vectors, which are essentially values with both speed and direction, except these vectors will exist in a 3D space for our neighborhood-friendly chatbot. Once that is done, it gets processed through the chatbot's transformer architecture. The transformer is a T in the bot's name, and it's what makes modern generative AI possible in the first place. I'm going to refer to Google DeepMind's Attention is All You Need research paper if you really want to go in depth. The model then tries to predict what the next possible tokens could be, and it does a very good job of this. It then generates an answer, reviews the answer for a safety check, and gives you a human-like response. As you can imagine, this is a very complicated process, requiring thousands of calculations and crazy amounts of energy to go through servers in a data center. Just like your computer gets hot or becomes a noisy fan when you use it for too long or for an intense amount of work, these servers face the same issues and need to cool. This is where water comes in, as it is used to absorb the heat and transfer it for evaporation in a cooling tower. These cooling towers resemble those smokestacks or chimneys you see near factories and nuclear plants. To perform all these seemingly miraculous things, ChatGPT consumes over 39 million kilowatts an hour per each day, more than that of the top 117 lowest energy consuming countries. But let's get to actual water consumption. The smallest data centers in America consume as much as 18,000 gallons of water, with the largest, those of hyperscale owned by big tech, consuming over 500,000 gallons of water a day. Fresh water, to be specific. The same water you drink, take from your sink, shower with, and use to flush your toilet. While it uses nearly 40 million kilowatts of energy per hour, it uses over 39 million gallons of water globally daily. That's the amount of water that would be used by everyone in Taiwan flushing their toilet at the same time. Seeing how fresh water makes up about 0.5% of the world's total water supply, the amount of water ChatGPT uses alone, excluding its counterparts, is a staggering issue in today's world, especially seeing how it's usually drawn from areas that are being pushed to their limits. But going back to our prompt, let's do the math to figure out how much water I just spent on it. A 100-word email generated by GPT-4 model would use around an Evian bottle's worth of water, or 519 milliliters. Our prompt was 13 words long, and its response was 98 words long. And since we can reasonably assume that GPT-5 would consume a similar level of water, that would mean that I used 0.98 times 519 milliliters of water, or roughly 509 milliliters, which is 0.134 gallons of water. That was quite anticlimactic, but with around 200 million active daily users who give over 2.5 billion prompts per day, that's over 335 million gallons of water per day. All those prompts got responses as short as the one I got. I'm pretty sure like 10 out of 10 people watching this video have used ChatGPT or an alternative before, including me, but make up for the amount of water you spend on prompts by reducing or optimizing your consumption of other resources like electricity, recycle waste, and reuse products where you can to save both your money and the earth. If you like this video, then you'll enjoy the one I made on ChatGPT's sister model, Sora 2. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.